How car engine works. Car engine is a machine designed to convert heat from combustion gas into the force that turns the wheels on the road. A car engine generates power by igniting a compressed air-fuel mixture inside a sealed cylinder and causing it to burn rapidly. As the air-fuel mixture burns, it expands and provides energy to drive the car. Therefore, this machine is called an internal combustion engine. Let's look at the internal structure of a 4-stroke, inline 4-cylinder engine. Here is a dual overhead camshaft engine, which is commonly seen in most sedan and hatchback cars. The 4-stroke engine passes through 4 different strokes in one cycle to generate power. The intake, compression, power, and exhaust stroke. Here we will look at how a 4-stroke engine works in a single cylinder. Intake stroke. The piston moves downward, from the top dead center, to bottom dead center during an intake stroke. The intake valve is open during the intake stroke, to allow air-fuel mixture into the cylinder. The exhaust valve remains closed during the intake stroke. The camshafts are designed to open or close the valves, according to the corresponding strokes of each cylinder. As piston moves downward, it generates partial vacuum inside the cylinder. The pressure difference creates a suction, which pulls the air-fuel mixture into the cylinder. At the end of the intake stroke, the intake valve changes from open to closed. Compression stroke. In the compression stroke, the piston moves upwards, from bottom dead center to top dead center. Both the intake and exhaust valves are closed. This helps to isolate the combustion chamber from the outside air. The upward motion of the piston compresses the air-fuel mixture encompassed in the cylinder, which increases the pressure and temperature of the mixture. The difference between the volume of mixture sucked into the cylinder during an intake stroke and the fully compressed volume is called the compression ratio. For example, an engine with a compression ratio of 10:1 means an air-fuel mixture is reduced to 1/10 of its original volume. Power stroke. In the power stroke, an electrical spark generated using a spark plug is used to ignite the compressed air-fuel mixture. The intake and exhaust valve remain closed in the power stroke. As the air-fuel mixture burns, it expands and pushes the piston downward. The thrust created due to the combustion of fuel provides energy to drive the car. The energy is transmitted to the wheels via the car transmission and driveshaft. Exhaust stroke. Combustion of the air-fuel mixture produces residue gases with high pressure and temperature. The residue gases are made up of unburnt fuel particles plus harmful pollutants. During the exhaust stroke, the exhaust valve is open, and the intake valve remains closed. The piston moves upward, and drives the exhaust gases out. The 4-stroke cycle would then repeat from the intake stroke, and keeps the engine running with power.